Today we're here to talk about how you put on the Breg PolarCare Wave pads. By the end of this video, you're going to learn the application process for the body part that you need to use the wave pads on. So let's jump right into it and learn how to use these pads. Once you get your wave pad in the mail, either if you ordered it separately or with a machine, a couple things you want to do right off the start is you want to make sure that you got the correct pad. And there is a sticker on the front of the pad bag that will tell you exactly what it is. This one is for the wave hip. Part number is C00013. This way you know you got the right one. And now we're going to show you how to put on the hip pad. Just a quick reminder, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a like. It's a simple, free way to support us and help us create content for you. Now let's get back to the video.
This is the hip pad for the Breg PolarCare Wave system. You're going to notice that it's going to come with an additional strap. This is for the thigh, which we will put on in a minute. So we're going to set that one aside. Go ahead and unfasten the strap, take it out. Then go ahead and put your pad in place. Make sure it's not too high or too low, and it kind of shows you on the pad where it should be, but somewhere in this area where this piece comes down over your thigh. Then you're going to go ahead and pull your strap through. So we're going to pull it through this piece right here, and then pull it around until you have a nice snug fit and it feels comfortable. Once you've done that, take your other strap. You're going to attach one piece back here, pull it through, and attach it right here. And of course you can loosen or tighten it to make it more comfortable. Once you've got it properly in place, should look something similar to this. Then you're ready to hook up your strap to your cooler. And keep in mind with Breg, they have the symbols on their hoses and those symbols need to match up. When you hear that click, that lets you know it's secure. Then plug in your power supply and you're ready to begin your therapy.
Now that you know how to put on your Breg PolarCare Wave pads, click on our next video up here in the corner and it's going to show you the unboxing of the Breg PolarCare Wave. Now let's get back in motion.